Good morning children, Sairam. Welcome back in the value education session. So children, I hope you all are revising shlokas every day. Okay children, now in today's session I am going to show you some pictures. Now look at the screen and can you tell me the name of the person whom we can see? Who was he? Yes, he was a great freedom fighter. And what was his name? We call him Chacha Nehru, and his full name was Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He was a first Prime Minister of India. Am I correct children? So now look at the next picture. And children, tell me, whom do we can see here on the screen? Here we can see a very brave woman. Can you name? Yes. Who struggled for the freedom. She was a Rani Lakshmi Bai. Very good children. You can see in this picture how she fought for the independence of India. And next picture, whom do we can see? Yes, Bhagat Singh. He was also a great freedom fighter. Now look at this picture and tell me whom we can see now. Yes, here we can see a picture of Mahatma Gandhi. And children, today I am going to tell you more about Mahatma Gandhi. I am going to tell you few stories about his life to you today in our next topic, Mahatma Gandhi. Now children, do you know what was the full name of Mahatma Gandhi? Yes, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. So, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was his full name. Mahatma Gandhi was born on 1869 on 2nd October in the small town named Porbandar in the Gujarat. See this picture. He was fondly called as Bapu. He was a father of our nation, father of nation. He did such a great work for our country, so he was called by father of nation. Here you can see the place of Mahatma Gandhi's birth. You can see this picture. It is in Gujarat, a small town, Porbandar. See this picture of Mahatma Gandhi's childhood picture of a Mahatma Gandhi. How he used to look. See here children. Mahatma Gandhi did his schooling in Rajkot. As a child, he was a very shy and he was avoided by many people. You can see here a picture of his high school, that is Alfred High School. It was a school of Mahatma Gandhi where he studied. Mahatma Gandhi was a very shy person in his childhood. He was not used to talk with other people and he was not very good student in his childhood, but he was very truthful and sincere. To be truthful was his passion. See, this person, Dorabji Idulji Jimmy. He was the principal of Alfred High School where Mahatma Gandhi ji studied. He was the head person of that school that time. What happened? Once upon a time, Mahatma Gandhi ji saw a wrong time in his clock and he got late for the gymnasium. He reached late, and so the same way he explained to the headmaster, but that time Mahatma Gandhi ji was a small child and nobody believed him. So in this incident he decided he will be a good person in his life. He will be always truthful. And later, children, at the age of 13, Mahatma Gandhi ji got married with Kasturba Gandhi. Here you can see the picture of Kasturba Gandhi. Then later, at the age of 19, Mahatma Gandhi ji decided to go to the England to study law, and he went to the England and he became a lawyer in 1891. In the year 1891 he became a lawyer and he started working in Indian High Court. Here you can see the picture also. So when he was working in the High Court, he were called in the South Africa to solve some case. So he decided to go to South Africa by train, and when he started his journey, he entered in the first class compartment and he was treated very badly there. He was thrown out of the train because he was Indian. That time Indians who did not have any political rights, and the white people did not treat the black people properly. Even Gandhiji was also thrown out of the first class compartment because he was not a white man. So Gandhiji did not like it and he decided that he will fight for the rights of common man. When he returned back from South Africa, he started his journey of freedom. He started Satyagraha. He struggled for freedom of India. Non-violence and Satyagraha was his weapons he used for the freedom of our country. Here you can see the picture, children. Mahatma Gandhi did many satyagraha. He started using charkha. Here we can see. And finally, on 15th August 1947, India has got independence. So today we are free because of Mahatma Gandhi. He really struggled for our country. He fought for the independence of our country, India. And now today India is a republic country, independent country. And children, on 30th January 1948, Mahatma Gandhi ji died. Here you can see Samadhi of Mahatma Gandhi ji. Mahatma Gandhi ji lived a holy life. He was a man of the people. He said, service to man is service to God, and service means pure love. So he was a very great person. He always used to say, I will be truthful I will suffer no injustice. I will be free from fear. I will not use force. I will be of goodwill to all men. And he really lived a very holy life. I hope children you all must have understood the story of Mahatma Gandhi ji. So the moral of this story is truthfulness means to be genuine and honest in all the things you say. We should be always very truthful whatever we do and whatever we say. So moral, truthfulness means to be genuine and honest in all the things you say. Okay children, I hope you all must have understood Mahatma Gandhi and his life story. You all will keep revising shlokas also every day. Thank you so much children.